This video is part of the Move On When Reading Application Support series and will focus on accessing the Move On When Reading portal via ADE Connect and entering the application as an LEA-level approver. LEA approvers are most appropriately assigned to superintendents, head of schools, district literacy leaders, and/or curriculum and instruction directors who support district or charter administrators and literacy practices. Submitting a school-level literacy plan and literacy assessment data is the first step in a multi-step process. School approvers should watch the videos in this series directly aligned with that first step process. LEA approvers will then access the Move On When Reading portal as the LEA approver, review all school plans, accept each plan for aggregation, add final budget allocations, and submit to the ADE. For printable step-by-step guidance, access our guidance document found here on the Move On When Reading submissions page, which will also be linked below this YouTube video. One key aspect to better understanding how to navigate this Move On When Reading portal is to first ensure you are logged in at the appropriate level and to know what functions are capable at that level. Always verify that you are logged in as the LEA approver in the top right corner, which will appear below your name. Whereas a school approver will only see one box each for the literacy plan and literacy assessment data, LEA approvers will see 3 for each. The top orange box will show the organizations which need to submit their plan and/or literacy assessment data. As the LEA approver, you do not have access to edit a school plan or literacy assessment data via this portal. If you were to click one of these hyperlinks in these top orange boxes, you will only get a pop-up window for the contacts assigned to that school organization. Next, the yellow box will list all school organizations awaiting review. As an LEA approver, you will have access at this level. Another function necessary by the LEA approver is this last step, accessible only in the green box. Once a school submission has been reviewed and accepted for aggregation via the yellow box, you will need to click here to combine all school submissions and submit to ADE, even for single sites. LEA approvers can also view all historical literacy plans and triennial screening data previously submitted to the ADE in the portal since 2013. Should a year show expired, this may have been a prior year in which the organization was exempt from submission, or could be the case that a submission was never made. In this example, you can see for window 3. Note that legislation and requirements have changed over the years, and submissions may not all look the same. Continue watching this Move On When Reading application support series for guidance on each step of both the literacy plan and literacy assessment data submission process. As always, please contact Move On When Reading with any further questions.